Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to develop the Machanism platform and the core principles that make it scalable, adaptable, and reusable. From its modular components to the rules guiding its design, this is your introduction to the foundation of Machanism architecture. Let's get started. The goal of the architect is to create a shape for the system that recognizes policy as the most essential element of the system while making the details irrelevant to that policy. This allows decisions about those details to be delayed and deferred. This principle acts as the guiding light for designing Machanism, ensuring the focus remains on business rules while limiting dependence on external details. There are many software architectures, each solving specific problems or enabling certain functionalities. Which architecture is best for Machanism? To guide our choice, let's revisit the initial requirements. Architecture must allow the platform to evolve without breaking existing components or workflows. Modules as building blocks should drive the system, enabling flexible composition of target applications. The platform must be extensible, able to support multiple architectures, languages, and frameworks seamlessly. The system must scale efficiently while remaining maintainable over time. Clean architecture is not the opposite of broader architectural styles, it works alongside them as a structuring tool, providing long-term maintainability and adaptability inside any system. This modular and flexible mindset aligns perfectly with Machanism's mission to divide and use reusable components within any architectural framework. A core business logic stays central. Clean architecture treats the core policies and decision-making processes of the system as an independent, central layer, unaffected by surrounding technical details. Modules stay loosely coupled, making updates or extensions possible without disrupting the platform. Technology independence. The architecture defines a system that is agnostic to frameworks, languages, or databases, ensuring it can integrate or adapt to future tools. Evolution-friendly design. By focusing on use-case-driven design and encapsulating every layer, for examples, UI, system infrastructure, or frameworks, clean architecture allows the platform to evolve naturally as new requirements emerge. Adaptation to any architectural style. Clean architecture is highly adaptable, meaning it can incorporate other architectural styles, like event-driven, microservices, or RESTful APIs, as needed without violating its core principles. Next up, let's explore how we apply clean architecture principles to design reusable bricks for Machanism. Clean architecture is not a competitor, but a guide for organizing internal structure within any architectural style. It ensures that the core business logic is preserved, independent and reusable, reducing dependency on frameworks, infrastructure, or delivery mechanisms. And you avoid tight coupling while increasing the resilience and adaptability of the software. After evaluating these requirements, clean architecture becomes the ideal framework because it is flexible and agnostic, meaning it can easily work with other styles such as microservices or event-driven systems. It helps structure Machanism's modular building blocks to remain flexible in cloud or serverless environments and adapt to new architectural trends over time. What Machanism needs to scream: reusability and modularity. Central message: Machanism is all about creating modular building brick that can be reused across varying projects and business domains. Each module or brick should represent a function or domain, and the architecture as a whole should loudly reflect modularity and reuse as its key purpose. Divide and use philosophy. Machanism's guiding mantra is Devide at Usus, divide and use. This encapsulates the idea of breaking systems into small, independent bricks that are easy to manage, reuse, and assemble. Its architecture must reflect this philosophy clearly by showcasing separated components that are loosely coupled yet seamlessly integrable. Support for evolution. Machanism's architecture needs to scream adaptability and evolution. The structure should communicate that each module or brick can evolve independently without disrupting other parts of the system. It's not just about building applications today, it's about creating a platform that can adapt to future requirements, technologies, and architectural paradigms seamlessly. Cross-technology compatibility. Machanism will integrate with multiple architectural styles, languages, and frameworks. The architecture must scream openness and compatibility, allowing developers to create reusable modules that are framework-agnostic and portable across different stacks. Domain-focused design. The architecture should scream the problem it's solving or the business domain it's addressing. For example, if Machanism is facilitating e-commerce, we should see bricks like products, orders, or inventory. If it's enabling logistics systems, we should see shipments, tracking, or warehousing. This aligns both developers and stakeholders with the business purpose of each module and ensures clarity across the entire system.